Hi guys, welcome back, and today's session is about this model. This model is very easy. It's very similar to this model. So I'll just open it up. So this is the crease pattern. This is the central hexagon. There are hexagons and then there is this crease pattern. This is a 16 division triangular grid on a hexagon. So let me just show you. The crease pattern is this, and is basically you are mirroring the whole model through this vertical horizontal line. Okay, this is the same as this. Both are mirror images of each other, and you can squeeze it and open it up, expand it. Use a good paper for this, because if you use a very thin paper then it's not that sturdy. Use a thicker paper, I'd suggest. That's it about this model, guys. I hope you understood, and thanks a lot for watching.